Here's some tips for right hand technique when you're playing finger picking patterns or any kind of single note passage like in a scale. First thing would be just the general placement of the hand. My hand is cupped and my fingers are all touching each other, so it looks like this. It's natural to want to kind of splay the fingers out like that, but you want to keep them touching one another. Even when you're plucking notes, your fingers still remain in contact with each other. It keeps your motion small and powerful. Now you'll notice that my thumb is curved this way. It is not bending in the middle joint at all. So when I'm playing the sixth string, my thumb either stays in this position, doesn't bend in the middle, either hangs out kind of in midair, or you can anchor the thumb on the instrument like that. However, from the fifth string to the first string, when you're playing those, you can anchor your thumb on your sixth string like this. The actual motion is an alternation between the middle finger and the index finger, so M and I. And whenever the fingers pluck strings, the fingers stay in contact with one another, they don't spread apart. Starting with your middle finger will ensure that you alternate. If you start with your index finger, you're more likely to just use it over and over again. So the motion comes from this top knuckle here whenever I'm moving, so it's not a kind of a bending at the middle joint like that. It's more we move from this knuckle and the finger moves together, that sort of motion. When the thumb is playing notes, it makes a circular motion. So it goes down and then returns to its place. And the whole time the thumb stays in this position, not bending at the middle joint. The active joint is actually this one right here, so it kind of rotates, makes a circle like that.